How to create a private story on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, ensure that your Snapchat application is up to date. After that, launch your Snapchat in your mobile device. To create a private story on your Snapchat, firstly go ahead and click a snap. After which, now to create a private story, it is pretty simple. At the bottom, you will see the Send to option. Click on it. After which, you will see a new story option. Tap on it. You will find the option New Private Story. That is only visible to your specific friends. Click on the option. List of all of your Snapchat friends will pop up. After which, you can select selective people and add it in your private story. And that is how you'll be able to create a private story on your Snapchat. You can always edit the list of your private story as well. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.